Of course, time frame is important, man. Time frame is important. I've been doing some research on the time frame of the bull run, when it will happen, how long it will last. It's your boy Crypto Millie. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. Go crazy in the comments. Need 100 likes, man. Let's spread awareness on cryptocurrency. These are the days we need to start appreciating, should I say. We got a little bit of pullback. I was able to DCA. I did a DCA today. I did a nice little DCA actually yesterday and today, family. So I'm excited about being able to accumulate in this accumulation stage. But again, go crazy for the algorithms, man. But boy, SBF, he done turned into one of them people. SBF done turned into one of them people. They got him, y'all. He's supposed to be the greatest trader of all time. SBF. They got him. All right, let's get it. So Bitcoin trading at 28.9. It's very important that we hold 28.4. We do not want to enter that quicksand, which is the Gaussian channel, again on the weekly. Now, family, yeah, then what we're going to be talking about is how long we will be going sideways. All right, let's talk about the first aspect of this video. That's kind of like a 3-part video right here. So I expect us to go sideways for about 1 year. Okay, 1 year going sideways, because after we flip green, it usually takes about 1 year for us to actually go sideways before we see any type of substantial movement when talking about a bull run. Now this is important. I moved myself on this side, or maybe it's this side of the screen, so y'all can actually see what I'm seeing right here. So let's move this up. These yellow lines here are the halving cycles. Okay, so you can see here approximately once we, and this is the last bull cycle, you can see approximately once we got above the Gaussian channel, family, it took us 70 days approximately for the Gaussian channel to flip green. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's like a momentum gauge. It usually lets us know when we're bullish and when we're bearish. Okay, so we really need to stay above this channel here and flip green. In fact, we've been above this channel for the last 50-60 days, and based on my research, we should flip green around August. Now, I was watching my boy CU's video, Crypto Universe Salute. He said on the 6th day, which I can't actually show on this chart because I didn't pay for the trading view here, but on the 6th day, you're able to see that the Gaussian channel already flipped green. So we're about 60 days in, right? We're about 60 days in of just trading above this Gaussian channel. This is the Bitcoin chart on the weekly. I'm giving you guys an idea of the bull run, when it will start, how long it will last. Okay, so right now we're here. We need to flip green, which based on history, all right, it took us 70 days to flip green. Right now we're around 60 days. We should approximately flip green August 23rd. So that's very, very close, as long as we stay above the quicksand. Okay, but flipping green, family, is only the first part of being bullish, okay, because it is usually boring for a while going into the halving cycle. You can see once we flip green, we actually traded sideways, family. Here we traded sideways for approximately 455 days before we seen any like substantial momentum. Now, a lot of stuff happened in these 455 days. I'm pretty sure certain altcoins pump. You probably had a couple meme coins go crazy. So I'm not going to say that this depicts the entire cryptocurrency market. Things will happen while we're trading sideways, vice versa, meaning that it could go bearish, it could go bullish. Both things will happen for different altcoins. So I want to keep that in mind. Pay attention to the narratives. Pay attention to the hype, pay attention to the community, because there will be opportunities for these next 455 days. If we get 455 days, there's a couple other technicals and variables that can change everything, because we got BlackRock entering the cryptocurrency space, the ETFs. And let me know in the comments what variables you think could possibly change history. All right, so 455 days crossing into the halving cycle. That's what this yellow line is. Took us 455 days. So based on the knowledge of what we know, if we traded here sideways for the next 455 days after turning green on the Gaussian, meaning August 23rd, we turn green, all right? 455 days, right? That would put the bull run somewhere around November 2024, okay? That's my final synopsis, because a lot of people always ask me when the bull run would happen. I personally think the bull run will start somewhere around November 2024, which I think is crazy because that's around the election time. It's literally insane how the timeline kind of like overlaps with election, halving cycle. This is literally insane. So 455 days are literally trading sideways. Now, a lot of things could happen. I'm not going to say a lot of people won't make money, but this is the stage where the shakeout happens. This is the part of the bull run that a lot of people don't make it out of because they either get bored with crypto, they think crypto is dead, or they just run out of money and they can't really take advantage of the opportunities and the different narratives in the new cryptocurrencies that might spawn and mint out of thin air. Okay, so again, right now we're about 60 days in. Okay, we're right in August. We got about 23 days left. So we're about 17 days in. So I would say, yeah. We're right around 53 days. What's the August 20? It's August 1st today, and we need 23 days. So if you do the math, that would probably sit us around what? 56 days, 57, 56 days. We're like 56, 57 days in. We need to be at 70 days, which would put us at August 23rd. Technically, we should see the Gaussian channel flip green somewhere around that time. Now, when that happens, family, keep in mind, people will get bullish. Things will start to run. But I think we'll have heavy resistance somewhere around 35, 36, maybe 40K and start to really trade sideways. Maybe we get 50K going into the halving cycle. I think that is highly undoubtful because every time we get any type of bullish momentum, either the FOMC, Jay Powell and them just really hammer down the market, or the SEC comes and just starts stumping the market. Okay, so keep that in mind. They literally be doing an 8-town stump on the market every time we get bullish. Okay, so this is the halving cycle, March 2024. Okay, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Halving cycle, March 2024, and you can see that this actually runs congruent with history. All right, so I'm just giving you an idea based on what we know from history. This might not happen. This may happen. I think it's a very high chance of happening. Okay, so once we cross the halving cycle, usually once we cross the halving cycle, you can see here, family, that we literally, well, once we flip green, we literally, you know what I'm saying, go sideways for about a year and some change. All right. Once we flip the halving cycle, actually, I should have had this already made for you guys. Bear with me. Let's get this right here. It usually takes us 100. What's this? Right here, 154 days before we see that heavy bullish momentum. So if we do the same thing here, let's move this down. Let's see how long the halving cycle would put us. Right there, right, 150. All right, so let's say 160 days. Actually, let's be a little bit more precise and say 54 days. Would put us at August. Will put us at September. Let me see right here. Will put us at August 24th. August 12th, 2024 is when we should start to see the real bull run, okay? The real bull run. So this is why a lot of people say the bull run will start around election time, around August, November 24. Now, this is the thing. Once we get in the bull run, you know, peak bull run lasted 385 days, family. So you got about 385 days. So not, you know, it's not about just entering the bull run. You got to know how to take profits. You got to know how long this thing will last. So let's say about a year and 20 days. Okay, a year and 20 days. That was peak bull run. It was over. If you didn't take profits, you got riggedy wrecked. Okay, so again, once we enter the bull run, I'm thinking around August 2024, somewhere around August and November, things will start to get really interesting. As far as you wake up, you look at your phone, it's like every day something is running 100%, 150%. That's how the bull run it is. But it only is going to last 385 days. It's only going to last a year. Okay, you only got a year of this. So don't get wrapped up into the whole diamond hands in and out narrative. Take your profits, okay, this time. A lot of people didn't take their profits this time. Last time. Take your profits this time, okay? I'm extremely excited about this because we're getting close, family. We're getting close. Y'all let me know when the bull run will officially start. What do y'all think about the chart, man? You know what I'm saying? When do y'all think about the bull run will start? And how long do you think the bull run will be this time. Will it be different this time? Will it be different this time? Huh? Y'all let me know. Will it be different this time? It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.